If you've been feeling stiff, slouched, or just not standing as tall as you used to, this video is for you. Here are the top 5 exercises to improve your posture that you can do right at home. Exercise number 1 is wall angels. This move helps open up your chest and strengthens the muscles between your shoulder blades. Stand with your back flat against the wall, feet a few inches away, and your lower back gently pressed into the wall. Raise your arms to a goalpost position with elbows bent at 90 degrees. Slowly slide your arms upward, then back down, keeping your arms and back in contact with the wall the entire time. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. You'll feel those postural muscles waking up. Next up, chin tucks. Perfect for fixing that tech neck from looking at screens all day. Sit or stand tall, gently pull your chin back like you're trying to give yourself a double chin, but keep your head level. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Aim for 10 repetitions, focusing on a smooth, controlled motion. This helps strengthen the deep neck flexors for a healthier head position. Third, we have scapular retractions, which strengthen your upper back and counteract slouching. Sit or stand tall with arms by your side. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're pinching a pencil between them. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. You should feel the muscles between your shoulder blades working. Exercise number 4 is thoracic extensions with a foam roller, which will help improve upper back mobility and counteract slouching. Sit on the floor with a foam roller positioned horizontally under your upper back. Support your head with your hands. Lift your hips slightly off the ground to apply gentle pressure. Slowly roll up and down along your thoracic spine from the base of your neck to just above your lower back. Focus on controlled, smooth movements, pausing on any tight spots for a brief stretch. Roll for about 30 to 60 seconds, repeating 2 to 3 sets. This exercise helps release tension and improves the mobility of your upper spine. Lastly, we have bridges to strengthen your core and glutes, which play a big role in maintaining good posture. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then lower back down slowly. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. This exercise helps correct anterior pelvic tilt and supports your lower back. And that's it. These are 5 exercises will help you stand taller, feel more confident, and reduce the nagging stiffness from poor posture. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which exercise felt the best for you. If you ever wake up with morning back stiffness, click this video. I'll show you 3 simple exercises that will transform your morning. Thank you for watching.